Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be removing my old Pulp Riot color. I had done some rainbow roots not too long ago and they faded out super cool, but the ends are just looking a little gross. So today I'm going to be using blank canvas and double 6 volume with Olaplex, of course, to be removing this color before I dive into a really fun fall color. So what I've got going on here is the blank canvas in a 1:2 ratio with 6 volume, and I'm just going to be applying that all over the old buildup of the Pulp Riot semis. And at this first part of the first sectioning, you can already see just how quickly the blank canvas is actually pulling the old semi off. It's really super cool. I never get tired of watching it turn back to blonde like magic right before your eyes. So I'm going to be going through my entire head and just applying my blank canvas and Olaplex mixture to remove the old semis. Now that I've got the blank canvas mixture applied all over my head, at the last minute I did decide to pull it around my hairline and through my part, just because it will lighten my roots up a little bit. So now I'm just going to wait until I've seen all of the semis removed. Then I'm going to shampoo but not condition before I do another Pulp Riot semi. I just don't want there to be a barrier in between my hair and the new color. So you can see how the blank canvas did lift my new growth quite a bit. I didn't bother pre-toning because I am going to be doing a warmer color today. I'm going to be using lava, lemon, and powder in the Pulp Riot semis to give me a really cool pumpkin-y orange that's going to be perfect for fall. My mixture is going to be about equal parts of lava and lemon, and then I'm going to throw a little powder in there to cut down on some of the brightness in the neon orange, so it's a little more neutral and not quite so intense and in your face. For best results, you always want to apply the Pulp Riot semis on clean, 100% dry hair. I really wish that I could say that I'm applying over power dried hair because I thought it would give the semis some cool effect, but in all actuality I was really just being too lazy to do a complete blowout and then color my hair by myself. So I did just power dry my hair a little bit, and I'm applying the semis over like 90% dry hair. And we're just going to work our pumpkin-y orange mixture all over the new growth down through the ends. Everything that's too dark just won't pick up the orange tone, but it'll blend really nicely over this fresh blank canvas blonde that we have. Now that we're moving into the final sections of our application, after we finish applying our product everywhere, we're going to let the semis sit for 25 minutes, then do a rinse with the coldest water possible, no shampoo, and since Pulp Riot semis are a conditioner base, we won't need to do conditioner either. I am going to finish up with Olaplex too, then dry and style. Yeah, girl. So here is the fresh power dried version of our pumpkin-y orange. I am going to be showing you guys a full-on blowout and style in just a few seconds here, but I could not get over this glow and I was too eager to finish my blowout before I had to get some on film to show you guys. I never do warm tones and I just really wanted to try out something super outside of my box for fall, and I hope you guys love this color as much as I do. Give me a thumbs up if you like it, leave a comment on what I should do next, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next one, guys. Bye!